Hello, this is Ben Azar, and I want to talk to you about this etude I just played, which involves a hammer-ons and tapping. Alright, so the first pattern, it's going with the fingers 1, 2, 3. This is on the 1, okay, so so it's a C major 6. Alright, and then I'm doing the same pattern here, and now this is the first the note on the first beat. Okay, it's a B minor 7. Alright, and then it's going to B flat. Right, B flat major 7, and then A7. Right, I'm changing to the first finger here. Now this is the first beat. Okay, so this is D major 7. Okay, this is D major 7, and this is the 6th of the D. Alright, and then I'm taking this pattern, full step down. Alright, so okay, which is it looks like E minor, but it's actually more like, because of this note, it's more like C major 7 9. This is the 9. Right, and then I'm taking this half step down, and then it's a F sharp 7, right? So it's 7 add 4, okay? Because it has the both 4 and 3. Okay, slower. Right, and then it's F7, F sharp 7. Okay, same thing, but just the 4 go to the 3. Okay, right, and then it goes to the last pattern. Right, which is a B major 7. This is more like E flat minor 7, but mostly B major 7. And then lastly, right, ends on E flat minor. Right. Now if you want tabs and the backing track, you can go to my Patreon page, which is on the link below. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to message me on social, Instagram, Facebook. My email is on the description. So enjoy, and I'll see you later.